Simphiwe Tshabalala. Simphiwe Tshabalala. Kaizer Chiefs legend. South African football legend. Lo mjida bafethu ngeke and awusoze umuzwe egxeka abadlali bebhola bala eSouth Africa. You'll never hear him on some podcast bashing young talent yase-South Africa. In fact, uyawa-embrace amajita. Awumboni nje ehambe egxeka kuma-podcast. Number 2, ibrand yalo mjita iclean. Akana ikandali. Well, asizizwa. Angizazi mina. Lo mjita akana ikandali. I-clean ibrand yakhe bafethu. Such a great example for a football player. He's such a perfect example. Wathi ngitsheni history yalo mjita kancane ukuthi abanye sebayikhohlwa. Lo mjita wayidlalela i-team ekuthiwa i-Free State Stars. Idlala kwi-NFD, Imvela Golden League, which is a league that's below i-PSL. Lo mjita wadlalela iBafana Bafana edlala kwi-NFD. First player ever owayedlala kwi-NFD wabizwa kwiBafana Bafana. Over abadlali ababe kwi-PSL kwathiwa no asilandelwa mjita odlala kwi-NFD. On top of that, iKaizer Chiefs yafuna ukumthenga while esadlalela iFree State Stars kwi-NFD, Mvela Golden League. Wanqaba, wathi no, ngizoza Mtawungu. But first, let me make sure ukuthi team yami yangena kwi-PSL. Yawina Free State Stars, yagcina ingenile kwi-PSL. Waseyeza kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. Wafika kwi-Kaizer Chiefs wadominate. Was the best player in our team. A consistent in greatness. Now kwiBafana Bafana, he was consistent in greatness. Indlela engimjabulela ngayo lo mjita, wakora lela goal le-World Cup ngo-2010 eSoccer City. That goal still today, uma kudlala i-World Cup or kuzodlala ama-games e-World Cup, kukhulunywa ngalo. Lo mjita has became FIFA ambassador. Yabo mekuza ama-World Cup nje, everyone is talking about that Simphiwe Tshabalala goal. I'm so happy for him, bafethu. He deserves it. Because why? Akana ikandali, ibrand yakhe clean. He was one of the best players during his times. Lo mjita lo ngiyamjabulela bafethu Simphiwe Tshabalala. May God keep on blessing him. May God keep on blessing him. He is a perfect example of how to carry yourself as a football player and how to carry yourself after your football career. If you need anyone to look up to as an upcoming soccer star, Simphiwe Tshabalala. Yabo.